able to reach out to them, for them to know that there is an event like this, that this is the cause, that the cause is them, and that this is a celebration which they must take part in. And the only way to reach out to those women is through you. So the reason why we have invited you here today, of course, is to celebrate with us the fact that this is going to be our 10th Pinkathon in the last 2 years. But it's also to appeal to you to spread this message as much as you can, not only in the public, but even in your families, your colleagues, your friends, and try and get as many women as possible. Now, each of you today here who have heard these messages has become an ambassador for something that is good. Something that is good and we hope will change our society for the better. So thank you very much for coming. If there are any questions you'd like to ask us, nothing about movies or boyfriends and girlfriends, but about fitness and running and the Pinkathon, please. Anybody? Yes.
It was very, very invigorating. I think the two enders, Ma'am Sangeeta and Mr. Milind, they should join hands and you should allow...
Here? Hi. Okay, are you running the Pinkathon yourself? And how many kilometers would you be running? Also, do you think your, the fitness DVDs are coming as a source of inspiration for the women to take part of it?
Well, Abhishek, I love to run. 10 kilometers is not very tough for me. I can run 10 kilometers. And yes, to the best of my knowledge, I'm going to try and be there on that day. And 10 kilometers, not very tough, though I have osteoarthritis, and it's not very advisable for me to run on a road. But I will try my level best. That's why I've been always part of marathons and inspiring people, talking about it, telling them. But there's always also your personal journey. You know, there are injuries that you have to deal with and you have to be careful about your body. So when it comes to cardio, though I love running, it's the most liberating thing in the world for me. I have to do it in little portions. Like I can't do it long term all the time. And yes, the DVDs are always there to inspire women. And yeah, Love Yourself is there and I'm there. And it's beautiful that every time, you know, I've been a part of a function, many, many more women have listened to me, participated. I would like to share this. It's about another marathon, but there was a growth in 25% of women participation in the Delhi Marathon this year. I've just come from there. And it's really sweet that, you know, all the work that we put together and so many more women came out in New Delhi. So I'm hoping that, you know, in Mumbai, we do the same. Yeah.
Do you think that you could probably qualify as the fitness ambassador of Indian women?
Well, I have a lot of plans as I grow older and older. I definitely want to do a lot for women. I want to do a lot for health and fitness. And yes, it always helps when you have, you know, had your own handicaps and your share of health issues, which happen, lifestyle diseases as we talked about, it keeps happening to you. So there are stories that I would want to discuss about my life too. And everything, you know, makes you that much more proactive in that field. For me, fitness and health is passion, all passion. There's nothing more than that. That's why I'm always there on any kind of platform when you talk about fitness and health. So yes, there are a lot of things that I want to do eventually. Right now, we will give full support to Pinkathon.
Would there be a Bipasha Basu autobiography coming sometime soon? Can we expect that?
I am not 100 years old yet. When I become 100, I'll give you rights. You write it.
हाँ विपाशा जी, मेरा ये प्रश्न है कि जो लेडीज़ घर पे रहती हैं, जो जैसा बता रहे थे कि मतलब वो आगे नहीं आना चाहती हैं, ऐसे भी लेडीज़ जो भी घर पे हैं, जो काम ऐसा नहीं निकल सकती हैं, घर पे रहकर वो कितना वो एक्सरसाइज करे या क्या करे मिनिमम टाइम में ताकि वो फिट रहे?
देखिए, दिन में आधा घंटा आप अपने लिए निकाल सकते हो। 24 घंटे होते हैं। अगर आप आधा घंटा अपने आप को देंगी तो आप अपने परिवार की अच्छी तरह देखभाल कर सकेंगी। You know, your efficiency levels will go up. Definitely, you'll be a calmer person. You know, you'll have no health issues. तो चाहे जो भी करिए, you know, घर पे योगा करिए, DVDs देख के वर्कआउट करिए, या वॉक पे जाइए, या दौड़िए, या स्विमिंग करिए, या कोई स्पोर्ट खेलिए, खुद के लिए, सेहत के लिए कुछ ना कुछ करना बहुत ज़रूरी है।
Hi, this is Zuhair from Pro Bollywood. Bipasha and Milind, both of you looking absolutely great. And since you come up from the modeling background and the kind of profession you are into that requires you to remain fit and perfectly in the figure. So normally what do you do? What's your regimen to remain fit? What kind of...
Milind just runs. From the time he was born, he's just running. He's not stopped. I don't know how many kilometers he's clocked. From the time he was born, he just runs. He said no 100 million women are running after him. He's running from them.
So it's not a question of really, because it's part of the modeling background or the film background. I have been participating in sports since the age of 10. I was representing Maharashtra from the age of 10 to the age of 23. So I understand the value of that activity today. I'm going to be 50 next year, but what I did 35 years ago, I feel the value of that today. So it's very important. What is one of the basic premises of the Pinkathon is to get women to understand the value of regular exercise, of an active lifestyle, so that they can bring up healthier, fitter children. Because I feel the kind of advantage I had because my mother encouraged me to do sport. Every child in India should have that advantage. It is not a question of that I have to be fit because I'm on screen or anything like that, or even for Bipasha. She likes to feel this way. The reason why she has this saying about loving yourself is not because she's an actress. It's because she believes that's the right way to live. So, sorry I'm talking for you, but yeah. I'd also like to say कि जैसे आपने पूछा था कि जो घर पे बैठी औरतें, मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि Pinkathon में जो participate करती है, about 80% of the participants have never been for an event before. वो पहले कभी नहीं दौड़ी है, पहले कभी ऐसे event में उन्होंने participate नहीं किया है. All of them have come out for the first time. So we know कि there are people who want to do something, लेकिन उन्हें chance नहीं मिलता, opportunity नहीं मिलती. उनको लगता है कि नहीं अगर वहाँ हम जाएंगे तो लोग हंसेंगे, अगर हम वहाँ जाएंगे तो क्या अलग से कपड़े पहनने पड़ेंगे, कुछ अलग करना पड़ेगा. बहुत सारे विचार आते हैं मन में. It's not just a question of time. It's also a question कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. So we try to make it easier for them. Another thing I'd like to say is कि to make it more inclusive, we started a new initiative for blind girls to participate in the Pinkathon. So in the Pune Pinkathon, we had 23 blind girls who ran with partners, and we made a special medal for them also, which was made in Braille. So they could read. They could touch it and read it in their language. That I ran the Pinkathon in 2014. Yeah, it's in Braille. So we try to do different things like this. So even if you have suggestions on how we can make the event more inclusive, to include women from different backgrounds who might otherwise feel reluctant, then do let us know. We have an initiative called Har Ghar Mein Pinkathon, where a lot of people get together. We have ambassadors of the Pinkathon. If you see the t-shirt I'm wearing, stand up, these 3 ambassadors over here. So you can see, give a big round of applause to our ambassadors. These are men and women all over and said, we would like to work on this platform. We want to do something. We want to contribute with this change that you are coming with. How do we do it? And we told them, you just inspire all the people around you, your friends and your family, and that's it. And they have been doing an amazing, amazing job. Yes. Right. We're late. Okay, so we have a bib for our 2 mascots, one for Sangeeta from Radio Mirchi, and one for Harshula, who is going to the mascot of the Cancer Shiro squad, and a pair of shoes from Reebok. You'll have to come into the center. Come into the center. And the other bib goes to Harshula, who is going to lead the Cancer Shiro squad. Thank you, Harshula. This is a 5 kilometer. All of them are going to participate in 5 kilometers. Any other questions? You have a question?
बिपाशा बासु से मेरा सवाल है. जाकिर सिसोदिया, परम मकराना मैगजीन. पिंकाथन के लिए आपको चूज किया, इसका रीजन आप क्या मानती हो?
अच्छा जी. आप बोलिए, आपने चूज किया.
मैंने तो बोला था कि इतनी फिटनेस आइकॉन है, इतनी फिट है, इतनी खूबसूरत है, इतनी इन्फ्लुएंशियल है, इंस्पायरिंग है, और क्या चाहिए? और क्या चाहिए? कुछ चाहिए?
दौड़ सकती हूँ मैं.
दौड़ भी सकती है. रोज एक्सरसाइज करती है.
रोज एक्सरसाइज करती हूँ.
2-2 घंटा.
1 घंटा एटलीस्ट.
Hello again. Little thing. Miss Bibi, you were great, terrific. Having the hard, tough Delhi guys run.
Yes.
That was it. And now, of course.